Hey, today I'm unlocking the power of Arugula, your spicy, peppery leaf. That helps your body feel lighter and your skin look brighter. 3 minutes. Fast facts. 4-second beats. Let's go. What is Arugula? A cruciferous green packed with sulfur-rich glucosinolates. Chew it. Your body makes sulforaphane to support detox pathways. Translation: your liver gets better tools. Chlorophyll gives that deep green and helps fight oxidative stress. Vitamin K? Loaded. Great for your cells and balance. Vitamin C? Collagen's best friend. Carotenoids: beta-carotene, lutein, zeaxanthin. Stronger skin barrier. Nitrates support healthy blood flow. Fiber fuels the gut-skin axis. Quick win: 1 to 2 cups daily. Smoothie: arugula plus pear, then lemon, ginger, water. Done. Lunch: arugula, tomatoes, avocado plus chickpeas, lemon, olive oil, salt. Ready. Rocket pesto: arugula, zest, garlic with walnuts and olive oil. Drizzle on. Eggs. Fold in at the end. Sun stress? Antioxidant defense is on. Detox clarity: your body already detoxes. Arugula supports the process. Shop smart, perky, deep green, no slime. Wash, spin, store with a paper towel. Flavor fix: mix with butter lettuce, or massage with lemon and a touch of honey. Protein add-ins: chicken, tofu, lentils. Skin bowl: arugula with salmon plus avocado and pumpkin seeds, omega-3s. Blood thinners: keep K intake consistent. Talk to your clinician. Allergy to crucifers? Skip it. Your body, your rules. Grow your own. Sunny pot, trim often. Reset meal: arugula and quinoa, roasted veg, lemon tahini, complete. Travel snack: hummus wrap with cucumbers. Workout wins: nitrates before, antioxidants after. Bottom line: for detox support and glowing skin, make arugula your daily green. Like, share, subscribe, and visit our website below. See you next time.